In this video, I'll show you how to remove the front seat of your Hyundai Elantra. So you're going to push the seat towards the back. All right. And now over here, you're going to have 14 millimeters bolt. So you'll need a 14 millimeter socket, a ratchet, or one of these. You see? Now push the seat forward. You can even use this latch. So now we have more space, and in the back over here we have two more 14 millimeter sockets to remove. Bolts, sorry, not sockets. They're hidden behind this plastic clip that you can remove by unclipping just like this. Perfect. You see, one over here and one over there. Once you finish with the seat in this position, go ahead and pull it back. We're gonna have access to everything that is under the seat. And from here we need to disconnect a few different things so the seat is able to move away from the car. So first of all, this is the harness that comes from the car, and you just need to follow it. It will be clipped over here. Take a screwdriver and try to unclip this. You can also cut the clip if you see that it's really not going anywhere. Be careful to not cut the cables. Okay, great. Let's remove this white one. There will be a release latch where my screwdriver is pointing. Okay. Next, let's remove this other white one. Again, press the latch. This yellow one, you just have to slide it the way I did. This one, you need to remove this black part first. Pull it out. And now you'll be able, sorry if it's not visible, but yeah, once you pull the black tab out of the connector, you'll be able to pull the connector the way I just did. Over here you have a red release latch on the top that you need to push and pull. Okay, pull towards you, and then it just pops out. All right, so this harness, you see, it's only holding by this clip. So we have removed it. Now that you have removed all the harnesses under the seat, you can simply slide it out. If you're two people, it will be much easier. Here I only have one arm, and with the other one I'm holding the camera. But basically, you see, if another person can hold over there, you'll be able to slide it out without scratching any bodywork, anything. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe. Check my links in the description if you want to get some tools from Amazon to remove your seats, and I'll see you in the next video.